Pakistan meets Japan with Nihari Ramen. Last time Pakistan met Mexico with Nihari Burrito Tacos, but this time we need to give ramen a chance.
That's proper.
We are gonna make some beef broth, add some beef bones into a pot of boiling water. We're gonna boil out the gunk, clean the bones, put it in an Instapot with fresh water and salt, and pressure cook it for 30 minutes.
Let's make a spice blend with cardamom pods, cumin and fennel seeds, cloves, black pepper, and chili powder. In a pot on medium heat, add ghee, and let's season our beef round with salt and our spice blend. Get some good color, remove it, and let's clean the bottom of the pot with some onions. Add ginger, turmeric, and garlic paste. Bring our meat back into the mix, cover it with water, and let this cook for about 45 minutes until it's super tender. Add water to toasted flour to help thicken this up, and let's add some fried onions and green Thai chili peppers. Now you want to cover this on medium heat for about 10 minutes, and that's pretty much it. Let's ladle in some of our nihari broth along with the beef broth. Add your favorite instant noodle packet along with your beef. Garnish with cilantro, sliced ginger, chaat masala, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Enjoy.